And guys, sa community natin, we give free signals. Ayan, so specific na, may entry price, may stop loss, TP. Ayan, mamili ka na lang kung anong TP ang susundin mo. Ayan. And pending orders and also ayan, mga market execution order. So, ilalagay mo na lang. But it really depends on you kung talagang susundin mo siya. And meron naman tayong mga trade ideas din. So, we provide fundamental background kung bakit bias natin is on a sell. And ayun, we also give free webinars. And if you're interested, we do have one-on-one mentoring session. So, you can check our link dyan sa my description box or sa my bio natin. So, ayan, may mga updates din. Gaining, naka-TP hit, TP2 hit, yan. So, yung mga TP natin, we provided multiple take profit levels. So, yan, depende na rin yan sa risk management mo. And, yun, I just want to invite you with our sa Telegram community natin. So, kindly check that out. And we can help you with your trading journey. See you there.